Maybe pizza and drinks will help find that guy. You know that guy with the truck?
Now, pull open the top of the box.
Holy moly!
With side or box cutters, remove the packaging material and any parts that were packed with your motorcycle. With a hammer, carefully remove the 3 top cross beams and 6 side beams. From the left side of the motorcycle, retract the side stand and carefully roll it off the pallet.
Why isn't my bike starting? Is there something wrong with the bike? Is there something I forgot to do?
What the heck? I don't get it. It's not working. I don't know.
Thank you for calling CSC Motorcycles. How can I help you?
Look, I got the bike and it doesn't start. I don't know. It's wrong.
Yes, let me get you somebody that can speak Spanish. Hold on, please. Carlos, line 1, please. Carlos, line 1.
Buenas tardes. Gracias por llamar a CSC Motorcycles. ¿En qué te puedo ayudar?
Bike, the key is the starts. Doesn't. I don't know.
¿Cómo? No arranca. ¿Cómo? No te entiendo. Ah. ¿Ya checaste la llave de la gasolina? Oh, no entiendo.
The turns, no, nothing else.
¿Checaste la batería? Un momentito, por favor. Déjate paso con mi supervisor, por favor, ¿sí? Ok. Gracias. Un momentito, please.
I don't think he speaks Spanish.
Joey, line 1, please. Line 1, please.
Joey Ducat here from CSC Motorcycles.
Oh man, Joey. My name is Brian. I watch your videos.
Thank you, Brian. I hope you find them useful. Would you mind starring in a tutorial video?
Oh, not at all. That would be cool. I just got my new SG250. I can't get it started. Here, listen.
Okay, I can help you out. Now, did you follow the starting procedures?
What?
Well, first things first. It sounds like your battery is dead and needs to be charged. Your SG does have a Kickstarter, but you still need 12 volts going to the ignition for a spark. If you or anyone you know doesn't have a motorcycle battery charger, you can take your battery to a local auto parts store, and they usually provide that service for free.
Oh, okay. I'll get my battery charged and I'll call you back.
Three hours later.
Okay, put your key in the ignition and it turns to the on position. The dash should be illuminated. Next, the bike needs to be in neutral. You should see a green N on the dash. Make sure the kill switch is in the run position.
Okay, I did all that last time too.
Okay, now turn your petcock to the on position.
Petcock? What's that?
The petcock is a fuel valve located under the fuel tank on the left side of the motorcycle. There is no fuel pump on the SG250. Fuel is simply gravity fed from the fuel tank to the carburetor. The petcock has 3 positions. Completely horizontal, 9 o'clock position, the petcock is off. When the ignition is off, the fuel is off. Straight down, 6 o'clock position, the fuel is on. Fuel is pulled from a tube about 2 inches into the tank. As the fuel level drops, switching to the reserve, 12 o'clock position, will give you about a gallon of gas until it's completely empty. In addition to your fuel gauge, properly using your petcock will ensure you'll never run out of gas.
Okay, I see it. I'll turn the lever all the way to the on position.
Now, what position is your choke in?
Choke? What's that?
The choke is a lever accessed on the left side of the motorcycle. It may be difficult to see at first, but it's a black lever on the carburetor. The choke is a butterfly in your carburetor that limits the air going to your engine and lets your carburetor give your engine more gas when the engine is cold. Depending how cold it is will determine what position the choke lever should be in. If it's extremely cold, using full choke, which is all the way up, will be required. In more moderate weather, half choke will be needed. The choke is only used to start the bike, and it should be turned off all the way down when it's running to prevent flooding your engine and giving it too much gas. Staying with your motorcycle and nursing the throttle will be required until the bike is completely warmed up. When the engine is warm, your motorcycle will sustain its own idle.
Okay, it's pretty warm today, so I think I only need half choke.
I like to use the two-handed method. I keep my left hand on the choke lever and my right hand on the throttle and starter button. I press the starter button and slightly crack the throttle. As soon as the bike starts, I turn the choke off and keep the RPMs up by nursing the throttle. It may take a few attempts to learn how much choke and how much throttle the bike needs, but you'll get it. If the bike doesn't start within a few seconds, stop and try less or more choke or throttle.
Okay, let me try that. I'll put you on speaker. All right, left hand on the choke lever and my right hand the throttle and starter button. Push the starter button and slightly crack the throttle.
It sounds like you got the bike started, but remember, you have to stay with the bike and gently nurse the throttle. Turn the choke off as soon as it starts, which is all the way down, to prevent flooding the engine. When the bike is warm, it will sustain an idle.
All right, left hand on the choke lever and my right hand the throttle and starter button. Push the starter button and slightly crack the throttle. Yes! Woo! Finally!
Now spend about 3 minutes warming up your bike. Once the bike is warmed up, you will not have to use the choke again to start your bike until the engine cools down.
Awesome, Joey. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Brian. And don't forget to turn off your petcock when you turn off the ignition. And always gear up, ride safe, and enjoy your ride.